Welcome to the Virtual High School. In this lesson, we will be taking a look at what happens when a number of integers, positive and negative integers, are being multiplied, and even when some exponents are involved. Now, they are telling us in the original question that they are giving us a number of integers being multiplied. We are provided with the answer as well. They are telling us that the answer is 24. The question is, state the rule which determines the sign of the answer. Now we can clearly see, since there is not a minus in front of the 24, it must be plus 24. That should be the sign of the answer. And we need to verify that this answer, the 24, is in fact correct. Now, starting at the beginning, the rule which dictates the sign of the answer goes as follows. If you have an even number of minuses in your original expression, your answer would be plus or positive. If you have an odd number of minuses, your answer would be negative. Now we can see that we have 2 minuses, which tells us that we should have a plus in the answer. However, we should not be that quick to judge that we actually do in fact have the correct number of minuses, because we have not taken into account the exponent, the 3. Remember, that 3 tells us that actually we have 1, 2, 3 brackets, and in each bracket we have a minus 2. 3 brackets, each containing -2, and then also the -3 at the front. And only now can we count the number of minuses. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case we still have an even number of minuses, which then dictates the sign, the positive sign of the answer. So we're happy with that. And then just to count or to calculate the 24, whether that is correct, we'll say 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. So we are happy with the 24 as well. We could also have worked only with the brackets first, would not really have made that much of a difference. But if you want to stick to the order of operations and you want to multiply the brackets out first, remember 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8, but then just working with the brackets alone, you would count 1, 2, 3 minuses only, which now dictates that the answer is -8, an odd number of minuses, and then that being multiplied with the -3 in the front, you've now got an additional 2 minuses, which is again an even number, and that dictates again a positive answer. So it doesn't really matter from which angle you are approaching this answer, you will always get to a positive answer, and you will always get the number 24. Thank you for using the Virtual High School.